Hello people and welcome back to Code on DashCam channel, a channel that features only the latest and craziest car content. We got everything here, from close calls to road rage and even more. All the clips used in this episode are for educational purposes and hopefully you'll enjoy watching this one. Without any further ado, let's get this episode started. In our first video, we have a road driver overtaking in a no passing zone. He didn't care about the double solid yellow line, and when the camera turned on his camera, this is what happened.
Scored, finished 2-all, the flag was clear, but in a way it means that it's back in your own hands again.
This is what happens when you don't pay attention at the road ahead. One small moment is all it takes for you to cause a wreck on the road. Hopefully no one got injured in this chain crash accident.
What a winner.
That's how you do it.
What a
You gotta
winner.
get right over. That's the thing.
What a winner.
See? That's what I thought. I had to exit.
Nope. What happened to me on the motorcycle? Come on already. Get off the frickin' phone.
I think you're right.
You weren't gonna stop, were you? Eh? Eh? Winner.
Duh. Why?
No, they hire someone.
Family members definitely.
They hired someone with that.
They hire someone as a translator. Actually, that wouldn't make any sense because how the.
Huh?
That's not bad. Look at that.
Yeah, look underneath the license plate. See the two holes?
Damn.
I want you to pay close attention at the minivan driver that is trying to exit on the road. He had multiple chances to do so, but for some reason he delayed it. You can hear the driver behind him honk all the time, but the camera found it all very amusing.
What the? Thank you very much.
Beep at this guy now, and you're behind him like beep.
Camera was just moving at his own pace when all of a sudden this crazy driver forced his way in front and started brake checking him. It came to a road rage out of nowhere and the camera had no idea what he did wrong. Camera was passing by and he caught a police arrest on his dashcam. If there is anything we don't recommend, it would be fleeing from the police. Always make sure to face up to your mistakes no matter what. With this clip we conclude another epic episode on Caught on Dashcam channel. I hope you guys enjoy watching and learning something from all the mistakes you saw. After all, the purpose of this channel is to make you think about how to properly behave in traffic. If you support this type of content, make sure to leave a like because it really helps this channel out. While you're there, hit that subscribe as well as bell button. Until the next episode, drive safe and stay safe.